Hello everyone, the next topic we are going to start is multiple catch statements. Till now we have studied single try block and single catch block for the same. But a single try block can have multiple catch statements as well. Execution of particular catch block depends on the type of exception thrown by the throw keyword. Basically you can have, for a single try block you can have multiple types of exceptions as well: cat type, string type, float type, integer or double. Now the catch block that matches with the type of exception thrown is executed while the rest of the catch blocks are skipped. Now depending upon the thrown type, suitable catch block will work and error handling code will be executed. Now let's move to the example. Now if you see here, in main function what I have done, calling the test function. Now in test function I am passing an integer type value. I have just for example taken 1 0 2 3 and here I am passing 1 0 2 3 as the values. Now for case 1 means if user is going to execute the first case, means test 1 value is passed here, which case will be executed? This one, throw x is of which type? Integer type. So if you see here I have 1 2 3 4 different catch blocks, means multiple catch blocks I am having. First one for integer, second one for char, then double, then for the string. Now what is the syntax for a string? Const char message, means either string is a type of array, either you can write it in this form or you can write const char asterisk message. Both are okay. Now here it is mandatory to write const because the message you are going to pass from there, from through, that is going to be executed here. So that is why a const is mandatory to be written here. Now let's see the execution. First value is 1 0 2 3, test 1. Which block will be executed? Now 1 comes here, try block, throw x is an integer value, so what will be my answer? Caught integer. After catch block what happens? Control comes out of the block, you know this thing. Now block finished here, it will return to the calling function. Now next value is test 0. Now again function call, next value of x is 0. For x is equal to 0, what I am going to throw? A character, single quotes. What I am going to write in single quotes? A character, means through what type of exception? Character type. For char what I have written? Caught character. Similarly for 2, x is equal to 2 1.1. Now if you remember, when I am directly writing here the value, I have written here double. If you want it to be the float type, what I am going to write here? F. Now 1.1 what I have written? Caught float. For x is equal to 3, throw message. Now what is the message? Exception. Okay, so what will be the answer? Exception. If I execute this code, see here, caught integer, character, float and exception. You can write string directly here also. If I comment from here, and commenting it here, you can directly write it here also. If I execute, see here, this is your multiple catch blocks. Now in some cases it may happen that you are not sure what type of exception may arise or what type of exception is there. So there is one generic catch handler. How to write that catch handler? Catch triple dots. Now this catch handler is going to catch all type of exception. This is known as generic catch handler, or catching all types of exception. For example, this is going to catch only int, this is going to catch char, double, but this is going to catch all type of exceptions. Now if I comment this, if you see, for all different types of exceptions, I am having a single catch block. So if I execute this, see here, I can write here \n for clarity. See here, caught all exceptions, caught all exceptions, caught all exceptions, caught all exception. Now some points that you have to remember for a generic catch handler. If I have one specific catch handler and I'm having a generic catch handler, the generic catch handler is always to be written at the end of all the catch handlers. Next point is, if I am going to have a specific handler and I am going to have a generic handler also, which one will be executed? For the specific one, the specific catch handler is going to get executed. Means for integer, caught integer, and for rest all, caught all exceptions. If I execute this program, see here, caught integer, for all others, caught all exceptions. Now I told you this catch handler has to be written at the end. So if I am going to place set before a specific catch handler, see here, error. Okay, it has to be placed at the end. This thing we have covered. Now let's go to the theory. That in some situations we may not be able to predict all possible types of exceptions, and therefore we may not be able to design independent catch handler to catch them. In such situations, we can force the catch statement to catch all exceptions instead of certain type. Catch all should always be the last catch handler out of all the available. This is the syntax catch, and this one program we have already discussed. Thank you.